Namaskar. In today's fast paced world, many of us live with the illusion that happiness lies in accumulating more clothes, more gadgets, more possessions. However, as the Yoga Sutra reminds us, true contentment doesn't come from the externals but from within. The Sutra says, Santoshat an uttama sukha labha. This means contentment brings supreme happiness. Also, in today's time, people usually get into mindless possession, spending because of peer pressure and fear of missing out on something. Decluttering our external world, we allow our mind to declutter too, opening the way to clarity and calmness. Now, let us embark on this minimal challenge. For the next 7 days, you will live with only 100 items. These items will include everything you need: clothes, shoes, kitchen tools, and toiletries. But do not worry, this might sound difficult, but if possible, try this challenge. First, list your 100 essentials. Start by writing down all the things you use daily and weekly. Consider your clothing, utensils, gadgets, and other personal items. Make a list of 100 items you will use for this full week. For example, do you really need 10 to 12 pairs of shoes or just 2 suffice? Here's how you can make the list of 100 items. First, make a list of clothing you will require. This can include shirt, pant, undergarments, socks, and other accessories. Write toiletries of 10 items, which can include basic hygiene essentials like toothpaste, toothbrush, comb, soap, etc. Third, list the kitchen equipments you need, like electric items, one pot, one pan, basic cutleries, and minimal serving wares. Next, list 10 items of work gadget essential like laptop, phone, charger, and one notebook. And finally, include 25 miscellaneous items. This can include any other essentials such as a yoga mat, books, or art supplies. Then declutter your space. Once you have your list, it's time to declutter. Set aside items that are unnecessary for the challenge. Also, keep all the things that are not required to back in so that only usable items are reachable easily. Now, set an intention for your chosen items. Set your intention to use only those selected items for a week and use it mindfully without wanting or needing more. For the next 7 days, you are with your 100 items. This will bring a shift in your mindset and state of mind in 7 days. Most importantly, consider how this experience changes your perspective on happiness and contentment. When you own less, your mind is more freer. Living with fewer items helps you break free from the constant craving more and the anxiety that comes along with it. You will experience a greater sense of freedom, both physically and emotionally, as you unburden yourself from the excess. Remember, minimalism is not just about decluttering your home, but it is about decluttering your mind. When you focus only on what you truly need, you develop a deeper appreciation for those few things you have. It reminds us that happiness doesn't lie in abundance. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Start today and open up yourself for the joy of true contentment. Namaskar.